Thank you for being with us. Today we are going to open up the box of the ClearOne Unite 180 that it is a USB panoramic camera. It is just brand new, so we are going to open it. So the first thing, we have the instruction manual. Please read it. Then there's the camera. You can see here it has 3 lenses to have a view of 180. The sides, you can see it is on my hand. And here it is a USB-C, and this is a USB 3.0. So you can see that it fits here right on my hand. Then here we will have here this one is the support to put it on, screws, and then here you can see the support. And then we have here the cable is a USB-A to USB-C. So this is the cable that comes with. And that's it. Thank you very much for being with us.